What's up, y'all? So, just an update on this big dude. We do it like this. Alright, so I'm gonna just check on him. He's real active. He always moving around in here. But it is morning, so tell him what he thinking right now. So, just do this before we get up close to him. And I'll bring y'all over here. Now that is a monster. This thing is about at least, I want to say, 15 feet. He still don't have a name, and I don't want to put my body all the way in the enclosure, but I don't think he will strike at the phone or me. Look at how beautiful this dude is. Hold on. What's up, big dude? What's up, big dude? Compared to my hand, holy fuck. So I do, I'm trying to get a selfie. This might be a little crazy. Oh yeah, that's cool. But yeah, I'm gonna take him out. So this is just like an update video on how I think he liking the cage, cause I really think he like it. He always moving around, he down there, over here, up here a lot. I didn't think he would go up there as much as he actually does. You just pull him out like this. Whoa. Oh yeah. What's up, big dude? And then I turn the camera. And I should show y'all me handling him. He's huge. Oh yeah. So here's my big boy that's trying to choke me. Still don't have a name for him yet.
What you doing?
Just talking to YouTube about the snake, how he's adjusting to the cage. Oh, yeah. Kane, no! So, this is him. I think he's adjusting pretty well. He always moving around in the cage. To whereas he was used as a breeder. So one, he wasn't tame. Like the dude told me he wasn't tame at all. He just fed him, never handled him. Two, he was kept in a rack system. So he was in vision cages, which is just a long cage, about maybe 5 or 6 feet long. And that cage just, they can't move around. So in this cage, you get to move around. You got a lot of space, a lot of length. And he got a perch to go up on where he got 2 hot ass lights. He got a vent in the back. So it's just like a win-win for him, I feel like. And he's wrapping me pretty tight. This dude's strong as hell. What's up, dude? Yeah, my lip. Workout off this. Let's stretch him out one good time. Oh. Stretch for the people. It's crazy how big that little ball can stretch across the room. Let's see how long that way here. Stretch. Yeah. This is the longest snake in the world. Reticulated python. Oh. When I'm handling this big dude, I try to just don't think of anything. Just watch him. Because from what I was told, he was a breeder, so he's aggressive. Now look how strong he is. He can hold himself up. Oh, fat snakes can't do that. But just try not to think. Just watch what he's doing and go off whatever he does. Oh. 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 Look at how cool that is. That's really a workout. Like, this thing's probably heavier than my girlfriend. Oh. But if you think about it, let's grab his head for a second. Look at that head. It's fucking huge. And for an animal that can just rip you up, I post a picture of a carpet python bite. Oh shit, this motherfucker is pretty calm. But I think it's time to walk the dogs. So, thank y'all for watching. If y'all like the video, go look at the channel. We got a few more videos up. And we're gonna be posting some more. So, for me and this big dude, peace.